Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best waterproof tonneau covers that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Kicking off our list at number 5, we have the Ribbed Bulkhead Seal Strip 326A0004 by Dufahua. This product stands out with its ribbed, rectangular design, which creates a multi-layer seal capable of blocking moisture, noise, and air infiltration. Made from EPDM foam rubber, this seal strip offers exceptional durability, with resistance to UV rays and extreme temperatures ranging from -40 degrees Celsius to 120 degrees Celsius. Whether you're using it for your truck tonneau cover, RV doors, or even a garage door, this versatile product is designed to handle it all. The build quality of the Dufahua seal strip is impressive, with a focus on long-term outdoor performance. Its self-adhesive backing makes installation easy, and the overall length of 65 inches provides sufficient coverage for most applications. However, it's worth noting that this product is more of a complementary solution rather than a standalone tonneau cover. It's ideal for those looking to enhance the sealing performance of an existing cover or add weatherproofing to other areas of their vehicle. On the downside, its limited length of just over 5 feet might not be sufficient for larger truck beds. While it's an affordable and specialized option, it's not an all-encompassing solution for those seeking a complete tonneau cover. So, if you're in need of a quick and effective way to improve weatherproofing, this product might just be what you're looking for. It's not an all-encompassing solution for those seeking a complete tonneau cover. So if you're in need of a quick and effective way to improve weatherproofing, this product might just be what you're looking for. At number 4, we have the Chuanji Tonneau Cover Seal Adhesive Tailgate Seal. This product features an innovative triple bulb design, which provides enhanced adaptability to surface deformations, creating a snug and secure seal. With a length of 13.1 feet, this seal is long enough for most truck beds and is crafted from high-quality rubber that is resistant to both heat and cold. Its 8 integrated barriers effectively block water and dust, while the triple-walled structure absorbs vibrations, reducing noise and improving the overall driving experience. What sets the Chuanji seal apart is its versatility. It's suitable for a wide range of vehicles, including pickups, trucks, and RVs, and can be used for sealing doors, hatches, and toolboxes. The installation process is straightforward, thanks to the strong adhesive backing. Simply clean the surface, apply the seal, and trim any excess material. For those looking to add a layer of weatherproofing to their truck or camper, this product is a fantastic option. However, the Chuanji seal is more of a complement to an existing tonneau cover rather than a standalone solution. While it offers excellent sealing and vibration absorption, it doesn't provide the full coverage and cargo protection of a traditional tonneau cover. That said, it's an excellent choice for anyone looking to enhance their current setup or address specific sealing needs. Coming in at number 3 is the Sailor Truck Tonneau Cover Seal. This product is perfect for anyone dealing with noise, rain, and dust penetration through their truck's door cracks. With its double-hole design, This seal strip effectively blocks gaps, keeping your truck interior quiet and clean. At 24.6 feet in length, it provides plenty of coverage for various applications, including tailgates, camper shells, and doors. The Sailor Seal is made from EPDM rubber, which is known for its flexibility, durability, and resistance to harsh weather conditions. Whether you're dealing with rainstorms, snow, or sand, this seal is built to last. Installation is a breeze thanks to the strong adhesive backing. Simply clean the surface, stick the seal in place, and trim any excess material. Plus, the product comes with a 1-month defect return policy, so you can shop with confidence. While the Sailor Seal offers excellent sealing capabilities, it's not a complete tonneau cover solution. It's best suited for those looking to enhance their current setup or address specific sealing issues. If you're in need of a reliable and durable seal for your truck or camper, the Sailor Truck Tonneau Cover Seal is definitely worth considering. Taking the number 2 spot is the Perfect Liner 5.5 feet soft roll-up tonneau cover. Designed for the Ford F-150 and Lincoln Mark LT, this cover offers a great combination of durability and ease of use. It's crafted from double-layer PVC material, which is waterproof, dust-resistant, and UV-resistant. The included side rails and stainless steel clamps ensure a secure fit, while the soft roll-up design allows for quick and easy access to your truck bed. This tonneau cover excels in cargo protection, keeping your belongings safe from the elements and potential theft. The aerodynamic design not only reduces wind resistance, but also improves fuel efficiency, making it a smart investment for frequent travelers. Installation is completely drill-free, and the tail lock system ensures the cover remains taut and secure, even at high speeds. While this product is packed with features, it's worth mentioning that it's designed specifically for short bed trucks. If you own a compatible vehicle, you'll be hard-pressed to find a better option in this price range. With its premium materials, user-friendly design, and excellent performance, the Perfect Liner soft roll-up tonneau cover is a fantastic choice for truck owners. And finally, at number 1, we have the Perfect Liner soft roll-up truck bed tonneau cover for the Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra. This cover is designed for 5.8-foot beds and offers a sleek aerodynamic design that not only looks great, but also improves fuel efficiency. Made from double-coated PVC material, this cover provides superior protection against rain, dust, and UV rays, ensuring your cargo stays safe and secure. The Perfect Liner cover features an advanced tail lock system that keeps the cover tight and smooth, even during high-speed drives. Installation is a breeze, with no drilling required. The included side rails and hardware make it easy to achieve a perfect fit, and the roll-up design allows for quick access to your truck bed. Whether you're hauling equipment, groceries, or camping gear, this cover ensures everything stays dry and protected. With its combination of durability, functionality, and style, the Perfect Liner soft roll-up tonneau cover is the ultimate choice for truck owners. It's an all-in-one solution that provides excellent value for money, making it our top pick for 2025. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.